Hi Corinne, congratulations on reaching this momentous milestone. Kuya Leonard and I are so proud of you. We know the journey was not easy, but it's a job well done. You deserve to celebrate this moment because you work hard for this. I am so excited to see what's next for you, but I'm telling you, your future is beyond bright. Um, like what Kuya Leonard said, we are here to support you, and we know that we're gonna see you soon here in New York City. But I would also like to congratulate my brother Junior. Alam mo, you're lucky dahil masikap ang mga anak mo at hindi hadlang ang kahirapan para maabot ang isang pangarap. Corinne, because nakita ko yung hard work mo para makatapos, I have something for you and Chatin will give it to you. Hope you will like it. Congratulations again and see you soon here in New York City. Bye-bye.